In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice using our system. Whether you're a small business owner managing your invoices or a freelancer keeping track of your billing, this process will make your task much more straightforward and efficient. First, we're going to start off on the main dashboard where you'll see various options. What you want to focus on here is the New button, commonly marked with a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear with several choices. From this menu, select Invoice. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the billing process and directs your workflow specifically towards creating a new invoice. Once you've clicked Invoice, you are taken to a new page where you will be entering the necessary details. Start by filling out the customer information. This section is where you'll input details such as the customer's name or business name, along with their address and any other identifying information that clarifies who the invoice is for. It's vital to double check this data to avoid any confusion or miscommunication later on. Correctly filling this out ensures that your invoice reaches the right recipient, making the billing process smoother. Now that we have customer details in place, let's move on to the products or services section. Here, you'll enter specific information about what you're billing for. It could be a product you sold or a service you provided. Be sure to include a detailed description for clarity, perhaps a brief note or comment that aids in understanding what the invoice covers. Alongside the description, input the quantity and the rate to make sure the financial aspect is accurate and comprehensible. Doing so makes sure you avoid any discrepancies, facilitating seamless communication with your client. With all relevant fields populated, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. It's a good practice to confirm the accuracy of every detail, an essential step to minimize errors and ensure professional communication. The next step involves saving your progress and preparing to share this invoice with your client. Look for the option labeled Save and Send. Clicking this will save your work, sealing in all the details you've meticulously entered. Moreover, it not only saves the document but also prepares it for delivery to the client's inbox. Upon clicking Save and Send, the system will prompt you to enter an email address. Here, verify the recipient's email is correct, as this will ensure the invoice is delivered promptly and without issue. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice. This straightforward process, now in your arsenal, aids in maintaining organized financial records and ensures efficient customer interactions. Thanks for watching, and happy